Building a PC is exciting, but choosing the right case is just as important as selecting the components inside. A well-designed case not only houses your hardware but also improves airflow, aesthetics, and ease of assembly. Whether you're a first-time builder or an experienced enthusiast, picking the right case can make all the difference. In today's video, we'll break down the top 5 computer cases that offer the best value, features, and design. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, NZXT H510. The NZXT H510 is a sleek, modern mid-tower case that blends style and functionality. It's known for its minimalist design, tempered glass side panel, and excellent cable management system, making it a favorite among PC builders. With a compact footprint, it's ideal for those who want a clean and clutter-free setup. Key features: the case features a front panel USB-C port, 2 Air F120mm fans for cooling, and a unique cable routing system for a neat build. The steel construction adds to its durability, while the removable radiator bracket makes liquid cooling installation simple. The tempered glass panel provides a full view of your components, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal. Benefits and usage: the NZXT H510 is perfect for builders who prioritize aesthetics and ease of assembly. Its excellent airflow design ensures components stay cool during extended gaming or heavy workloads. The pre-installed fans help maintain low temperatures, and the PSU shroud keeps cables organized, offering a professional-looking build. Usability: this case is beginner-friendly, thanks to its pre-installed cable channels and ample space for cable routing. It supports ATX, micro-ATX, and mini-ITX motherboards, making it versatile for various builds. The front I/O panel offers easy access to ports, making connectivity seamless. Durability: made from high-quality steel and tempered glass, the H510 is built to last. The sturdy frame and well-designed structure ensure that it can handle upgrades and modifications without. In the second spot, we have Corsair iCUE 4000X. The Corsair iCUE 4000X is a premium mid-tower case designed for those who want both performance and style. With 3 RGB fans included and a tempered glass side panel, this case delivers a visually stunning build while maintaining excellent airflow. Key features: it includes Corsair's iCUE RGB lighting system, which allows for extensive customization. The case comes with a rapid route cable management system, making assembly neat and straightforward. It also features ample room for cooling solutions, including support for up to 6 fans and multiple radiators. Benefits and usage: the 4000X is designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a stylish case with efficient cooling. The 3 pre-installed 120mm RGB fans ensure optimal airflow, keeping temperatures low. It supports up to 360mm radiators, making it ideal for high-performance systems. Usability: thanks to its tool-free installation and cable routing channels, the case is easy to build in. It supports ATX, micro-ATX, and mini-ITX motherboards, making it versatile for different setups. The tempered glass side panel allows for a clear view of internal components, showcasing RGB lighting beautifully. Durability: the steel frame and high-quality glass panel make the iCUE 4000X a sturdy and reliable choice. Its build quality ensures longevity, and the robust cooling support means your components will stay protected over time. Coming in at number 3 is the Fractal Design Meshify C. The Fractal Design Meshify C is a high-performance mid-tower case with an emphasis on airflow. Its mesh front panel ensures unrestricted air intake, making it one of the best cases for cooling enthusiasts. Key features: the case features a full mesh front panel for enhanced airflow, 2 Dynamic X2GP, 12 120mm fans, and support for multiple radiator configurations. The interior is optimized for high-performance builds, with space for large GPUs and extensive cooling options. Benefits and usage: the Meshify C is perfect for users who need maximum airflow without sacrificing style. Its mesh front panel allows cool air to enter freely, keeping components cool even during intense gaming sessions. The case also has ample space for water cooling solutions, ensuring compatibility with high-end cooling setups. Usability: this case supports ATX, micro-ATX, and mini-ITX motherboards, making it flexible for various builds. It has a compact footprint, making it ideal for desks with limited space. The cable management system is well designed, keeping the interior tidy and optimized for airflow. Durability. With its steel construction and high-quality mesh front panel, the Meshify C is built to last. The strong frame and tempered glass side panel add to its durability, making it a long-term investment for PC builders. Taking our fourth spot is Phanteks Eclipse P400A. The Phanteks Eclipse P400A is an airflow-focused mid-tower case that balances performance and aesthetics. With its fine mesh front panel and included RGB fans, it offers great cooling while adding a touch of style to your build. Key features. It comes with 3 pre-installed RGB fans, a full metal mesh front panel for unrestricted airflow, and a PSU shroud for clean cable management. It supports a wide range of cooling options, including multiple radiators and fans for optimal temperature control. Benefits and usage. The P400A is an excellent choice for those who prioritize airflow and RGB customization. The fine mesh front panel allows for superior cooling, keeping even high-end components at low temperatures. The pre-installed fans add vibrant lighting effects, making your build visually appealing. Usability. This case supports ATX, micro-ATX, and mini-ITX motherboards, providing versatility for different builds. The tool-free drive installation and ample cable management space make assembly hassle-free. The front I/O panel includes USB 3.0 ports and an LED control button for easy customization. Durability. Constructed with high-quality materials, the P400A is designed to withstand years of use. The sturdy frame and well-ventilated structure ensure that your components stay cool and protected, even under heavy loads. Oh, and finally, at number 5, we have Cooler Master MasterBox Q300L. The Cooler Master MasterBox Q300L is a budget-friendly micro-ATX case that offers excellent cooling and customization options. It's compact, stylish, and ideal for small form factor builds without sacrificing performance. Key features. The case features a perforated front panel for enhanced airflow, a transparent side panel for a clear view of components, and adjustable I/O panel placement for customization. It supports multiple cooling configurations, including space for up to 6 fans. Benefits and usage. The Q300L is great for those who need a compact yet efficient case. Its well-ventilated design ensures proper airflow, keeping temperatures in check. The magnetic dust filters help maintain a clean interior, reducing maintenance efforts over time. Usability. Supporting micro-ATX and mini-ITX motherboards, this case is perfect for smaller builds. The modular I/O panel allows for different placement options, making it adaptable to various desk setups. The spacious interior allows for easy installation of components and cable management. Durability. Made from high-quality steel and plastic, the MasterBox Q300L is built to be durable despite its budget-friendly price. The sturdy frame and dust filters ensure longevity, making it a reliable option for budget-conscious builders. And there you have it, the top 5 computer cases for this year. Whether you're after airflow, aesthetics, or affordability, there's an option here for every type of builder. Choosing the right case can make your PC build smoother and more efficient while ensuring your components stay cool and protected. Let us know which case is your favorite in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more PC build guides and product reviews. See you in the next one.